Garlic may seem straightforward to use. Peel it, chop it, and toss it into your dish. However, this humble ingredient is more complex than it appears, and small mistakes can reduce its nutritional and health benefits. Let's explore the most common errors people make when preparing garlic and how to fix them, ensuring you get the best out of this superfood. Mistake 1: buying pre made garlic in jars. While jarred garlic offers convenience, it often compromises flavor and nutrients. The pasteurization process diminishes its health benefits, and its flavor is less potent compared to fresh garlic. Plus, you may end up using more to achieve the same taste, making it less economical. Whenever possible, choose fresh garlic for superior quality and nutrition. Mistake 2: overcooking garlic. Starting your dish by frying garlic at high heat can destroy its most beneficial compound, allicin, which is sensitive to temperatures above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. To retain garlic's health properties, consider adding it toward the end of cooking or even using it raw in certain recipes. Mistake 3: skipping the resting period. After crushing. After chopping or crushing garlic, let it rest for about 10 minutes before cooking. This time allows enzymatic reactions to produce allicin, the compound responsible for many of garlic's health benefits. Without this resting period, you miss out on these advantages. Mistake 4: using pre-peeled garlic. Pre-peeled garlic may seem like a time saver, but it loses flavor and nutrients quickly after being exposed to air. Additionally, it's more susceptible to bacterial growth. Freshly peeled garlic not only tastes better, but also retains its health-promoting properties. Mistake 5: improper storage. Garlic requires a cool, dry, and well-ventilated environment. Avoid storing it in the fridge, which can lead to sprouting or spoilage, or in sealed containers that restrict airflow. A mesh bag in a dark cupboard is ideal for maintaining garlic's freshness. Mistake 6: ignoring drug interactions. Garlic can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners or drugs for high blood pressure. While it's not inherently dangerous, garlic's natural ability to thin blood and lower blood pressure can amplify the effects of these medications. Consult a healthcare provider if you're on such medications. Mistake 7: burning garlic during sautéing. Burnt garlic develops a bitter taste which can ruin your dish. To avoid this, cook garlic at low or medium heat and add it after other ingredients have started cooking. Pairing it with oil or butter helps distribute heat evenly, reducing the risk of burning. Mistake 8: struggling with peeling garlic. Peeling garlic doesn't have to be a hassle. A simple method involves pressing down on the garlic bulb with your palm to separate the cloves, then shaking them in a bowl or jar to loosen the skins. Alternatively, you can press each clove with the flat side of a knife for easy peeling. How to use garlic for maximum benefits. To maximize garlic's health benefits, eat it raw. Consuming raw garlic, especially on an empty stomach, may help lower cholesterol and boost immunity. Combine with honey. For a quick remedy, chop a garlic clove into pieces, drizzle with honey, and consume. Incorporate into dishes. Add minced garlic to sautés, stews, or marinades for extra flavor and nutrients. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to meals. It's a powerful ingredient with numerous health benefits, including immune support and inflammation reduction. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can enhance both the taste and nutritional value of your dishes.